Hey friends, this is Audrish and welcome back to my channel Hued Mood. So in today's video, I will show you how to download PUBG mobile game on your smartphone device. So as we all know that PUBG game got banned few months back in India. So in today's video, I will show you two simplistic easy steps which you can follow to download this game. So without further delay, let's get into it. So friends, let's see the first step to download PUBG mobile game. So in the Google search bar, we have to type PUBG download. And on the first link that appears on the top, that is of downloads.digitaltrends.com. So we have to click on the first link that appears on the top. So it will redirect it to the PUBG page that we can see PUBG mobile, and we'll just click on downloads. So it will just automatically download, and if it doesn't, then we have to click here. So it will always appear as a harmful file because we are not downloading it directly from the Play Store. So don't worry about it, just click on OK for downloading it. As we can see, the file is downloading. So it's the first step. As we can see, the file is downloading. Tencent IG, it's a 41.26 MB file. After that, after installing it, from there it will redirect to the original file of 1.2 GB or something like that. So it's really simple, as you can see. Now I will show you the second step. So friends, in the second step, let's see how to download PUBG app. For this, you have to download an application called TapTap from Google. So we are going to download it. So write TapTap on the Google search bar, and it will appear on the first link, that www.tap.io. So click on download TapTap mobile client on the first link. And just click on Android, and automatically it will start download, and it will as usual appear as a harmful file, but ignore it and click on OK. After clicking on OK, the file will automatically start downloading, and as you can see, it has already downloaded. So I am clicking on open, and by clicking on package installer, you can install it. So I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install it now. Now I'm going to open the application TapTap. After opening it, on the top right corner, I will click on it and will search PUBG mobile. As you can see, it appeared on the top, so I'm going to click on it. So as you can see, the download option is appearing on the right hand side, so I'm going to click on it. By clicking on it, it's asking for allow the TapTap app to access all your photos, media, files on your device. So I'm going to allow it. So now, as you can see, the download has started. On the top, we can see the download has started, and it's showing as 1%, 2%. So yeah, this is the second way. So friends, hope you like this video, and if you like this video, just let me know in the comment section below, and like, share, subscribe. So I expect some recommendations from your side. I expect some topics, so just suggest some topics so that I can make more videos like this. And thanks for watching.